In today's video, I will be talking about getting a free tablet from T-Mobile through the Affordable Connectivity Program (ACP). A lot of people are looking for ways to save money, and one of the biggest expenses for many people is their internet bill. That's why I will share with you how you can get a free tablet and data plan from T-Mobile if you are eligible for the ACP. The ACP is a government program that provides discounts on internet service to low-income households. If you are eligible for the ACP, you can get a free tablet from T-Mobile and a monthly data plan that includes 100 gigabytes of high-speed data. This data plan is valid for 1 year. After 1 year, you must renew your ACP eligibility to continue receiving the free tablet and data plan. Your household income must be at or below 200% of the federal poverty guidelines to be eligible for the ACP. You can also be eligible if you participate in government assistance programs like SNAP. Thanks for watching.